These viral AI miniature restoring videos are taking over social media right now. And this Instagram page has just started, yet already gained over 71,000 followers by posting this exact style of content. What's even crazier is that some of the videos have already reached millions of views, and they're still counting. The best part is that these videos look incredibly realistic and satisfying, but they can actually be created with AI in just a couple of minutes. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. The tiny workers, detailed restoration process, and realistic transformations make these videos incredibly addictive to watch from start to finish. So without wasting a single second, let me show you how you can create these videos for completely free. First, head over to ChatGPT and simply paste this prompt and hit enter. It will instantly provide you 20 viral object names to choose from, or you can simply use your personal favorite object. This gives you plenty of ideas, so you never run out of content. Now just select anyone you like and then open this prompt link from the description below. Simply copy the full prompt because everything has already been prepared for you. You only need to replace one small section. After that, head over to Google Flow. Here, select the video option and then choose Omni Flash as your video model along with your other desired settings. Once that's done, paste the prompt into the prompt box. Now copy your favorite object name from ChatGPT and paste it into the desired object section inside the prompt. That's the only thing you need to change. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate, and within just a few seconds, your AI miniature restoring video will be ready. Let's watch the result together. And that's literally the complete process. Just change the object each time, and you'll be able to create unlimited, unique miniature restoring videos without spending hours editing. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the next viral AI niche the moment it drops.